Welcome to this Shortwave radio channel, and we are, of course, this is the video what I usually do on Mondays, where we try to talk about some of the stuff we should do in the week. Last week, there weren't a lot of videos posted. I'm sorry about that. There was quite a few things that I had to do, and the time was not there. But this week is different, and I should have a lot more time to devote to some radio videos. Including this week, I will concentrate on a series, and I'll make a playlist out of it. A series for beginners. I think there is a lot of education that is needed. I'm looking at what questions and how a lot of the newbies out there are posting in the Facebook group, and it's giving me actually, a lot of ideas of things to talk about. And I will post those videos, of course, in the Facebook group also, so that anybody that is beginning in the hobby will be able to understand some of the different aspects of the listening hobby. I will also make videos this week of suggestions of stations that are not too difficult or even easy to get for a lot of people that have portable radios and no fancy antennas, so that you'll have something to listen to. So that, I think, is going to be quite interesting. So I'm going to concentrate a lot on videos for the newcomer to the hobby this week. And I'll create a playlist. I'll probably call it something like, Shortwave for beginners or something like that. And I'll put the videos in that playlist so that if you want to watch the different videos, you'll be able to just click the playlist and let them go one after the other. I think this is needed from what I see, and we have a surprising amount of newcomers to the hobby thanks to the live shows in this channel, and it's really fun to see that. But of course, there needs to be some guidance and some help over there, that's for sure. So that's going to be probably the bulk of the videos. And of course, we'll have the live shows on Wednesday and on Friday. So Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern, 0 UTC. Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern, that's 20 UTC. And I hope that you enjoy what we post this week. Don't forget about our Facebook group. The link is in the description below the video. An amazing place to be with great people that are helping out and having fun with radio. It's really, really cool to have all of you interact there. And for those that don't know that it exists, we're at 800 and close to 840 members as of this post. We are Monday, May 11th, 2020 today. And so if you want to check it out, you got to answer the radio questions. And if you don't have a Facebook page and you actually create one just to be on the group, you will have to actually let me know who you are because of safety concern and making sure we don't have trolls and undesirable people there. We are not accepting people that have created a Facebook page just a few hours or a few days before they ask for to join the group. So that is a important rule here. And of course, answer the radio questions is very important. Without the radio questions, you're not getting in also. It's very, very important to do so. So if you want to join a gang of people that are just great and have fun with radio, the Facebook group, official SWL channel Facebook group, is a great place to be. So the link is in the description below the video. Hope everybody enjoys. Hope you enjoy the videos I'll post this week. And of course, I think it's going to be fun to do these newbie videos, and I'll have demonstrations also that I'll show actually and do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.